You look lovely, Elizabeth. I apologize if I seem forward, but I must speak to my mind. This promotion grew into sharp relief, but I not yet achieved. A marriage to a fine woman. You became a fine woman, Elizabeth.
I can't breathe.
Yes, I'm a bit nervous myself, but I not yet achieved. But they make me their chief. Elizabeth. Elizabeth! Oh my God!
I got her. She's can't breathing. Move. Where did you get it?
On your feet. Elizabeth, are you alright?
Yes, I'm fine.
Shoot him.
Commodore, do you really going to kill my rescuer?
Yes, I believe. Thanks in order. I am pirate. Well, Jack Sparrow, isn't it?
Captain Jack Sparrow, if it is so.
Well, I don't see your ship, Captain.
I'm in the market, as it were.
Shot him, now powder. Well, the compass doesn't point north. You are the worst pirate if I ever heard of.
But you have heard of me.
I know you're here, Poppy. Come out and I promise I won't hurt you. You got something of ours. It's close to us. The gold close to us. Hello, Poppy.
Polly.
What?
I invoke the right of Polly. You must take me to a captain.
I know the code.
You can do them no harm until the Polly is complete.
My apologies, miss.
Captain Barbossa, I am here to negotiate the cession of hostilities against the Port Royal.
There were a lot of words in there. What is it that you want?
I want you to leave and never come back.
Means no.
You said you gave Barbossa my name was yours. Why?
I don't know, it's yours.
I thought it was the day they rescued me. I was gift from my father. He gave it to me. Why did you take it?
Because I was afraid that you were pirates. It had been awful.
It wasn't your blood they needed. It was the blood of my father. My blood. The blood of a pirate.
Will, I'm sorry. Please forgive me.
Gentlemen, the time has come, punished the many of us, and now begun by blood.
Did it work? I don't feel no different. How do I tell?
You are not dead.
No, he shoot me. It didn't work. The curse is still upon us.
Was your father really Turner?
No.
You get the wrong person.
She had the medallion. She's proper age. She said her name was Turner.
I think she lied to us. You carried a pistol 10 years, and now you waste it.
He didn't waste it.
I feel